So first, hello, I'm Claudia, this is my channel. I just bought this bag and I was so excited to get it. I just wanted to show this unboxing trunk video. It's a simple video, nothing professional, since I have only a little time because my baby's still sleeping, so here you go. These are the details. It's a lovely bag. I checked it everywhere, it's perfect. And here you can open it. And this is the zipper. This is my favorite part, the inside of this bag. I love it. I'm in love with this bag. I love this monogram print inside of this bag. This is the language. Focus it. There you go. And it comes with this strap. The details of the strap. Well, I hope you enjoyed my simple video. On my next video I will be unboxing the Speedly 30. It's pre-launch. You can only get it online, so I'm excited. I'm still waiting for it till it arrives here, and I'm going to make another video. So subscribe me, please. Have a nice day.